Hi, boys and girls. So today we're going to match the numbers at the bottom to the tens and ones that you see in each box. So we're not going to be doing cutting because we have work to do on the back of our paper, but we're going to count the tens and ones and see if we can figure out which number goes in the box. So if you look across the bottom, we have 59, 33, say it with me, 44, 52, 61, 72, 45, and 68. So let's start by counting the first one. We're going to count by tens and then our ones. Ready? Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then we have count by ones. 51, 52. So we're going to write 52 in the box and then cross off 52 at the bottom. See how we do that? Okay, we're going to do the next one. Count by tens. Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40. Now count by ones. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So I write 45 in the box and then I cross it off on the bottom. Okay, count with me on the next one. Count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, and 68. So I write 68 in the box and I cross it off. Okay, now let's do the next one. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71, 72. And I write 72 in the box and cross it off. Okay, I want you to see if you can find the next four on your own. You have 59, 33, 44, and 61 left. So push pause, give it a try, and then push play and check it. All right, boys and girls, did you get 33 on this one? Good. If you didn't, fix it. What did you get for the next one? 44. Very good. Cross off 44. What did you get for the next one? 59. Very good. And for the last one, 61. Excellent. Good, let's turn paper over. So on this one, we're going to do a little review of knowing whether or not facts are true or false. So you're going to color all of the stars that are true. So you have to use the number line at the bottom. You can color them whatever color you want. And you just look at the first star. 8 minus 2 equals 6. Let's give it a try. 8 minus 2. Did we land on 6? Yep. So I color the star because that one is true. Okay, let's look at the next one. 5 minus 3 is 3. Let's check. 5 minus 3. Oh, that's 2. So that one is not true. Let's do 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. It's 4, and this one says it's 1, so that's not true. Let's look at this star right here. 9 minus 4. Let's start on 9. Count back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That one is true, so let's color it yellow. And then I want you to finish the rest of the problems on your own and show it to your teacher when you're finished. Good job, boys and girls.